today's episode of Total Recap, get an update on the ongoing construction here at Conroe High.
As well as a favorite local cinema in Conroe shuts its doors after 15 years.
Is your favorite NFL team in the playoffs? We'll get a sports report from Beck West.
We are also here with your weather. It's cold this week.
Streaming on the KTIG YouTube channel every week.
This episode of Total Recap starts now.
We've all been to a movie theater, but I'm willing to bet that you've either never or never regularly been to a theater as old as Conroe's very own Crighton Theatre in downtown Conroe. The theater is open about 91 years old, being opened originally in 1935 and then reopened in 1979. When the theater was reopened, newer metal chairs with orange flush fabric were put in place. But this month the theater is temporarily shut down for renovations such as new chairs and new carpet. The lobby was even expanded back in 2020 alongside new bathrooms. The theater is set to reopen February 6th with 520 new chairs. Make sure to check out their socials for upcoming productions. Even though this theater will have its comeback,
for another, the future doesn't shine as bright. Long-time Conroe Theater Star Cinema Grill has closed after more than 15 years at the Pine Hollywood Shopping Center. The announcement was made on the Star Cinema Grill website. Last Thursday was the final day of operation at Conroe Theater. According to its website, which had the message, "Thank you for making movie magic with us. We're grateful for every visit, every laugh, and every memory. It is not yet known what will happen to the now empty space, but I do know that now it's empty will forever hold the memories, the ones who once attended it. The only question left to answer now is where will you go to dine and watch the next best thing?"
coming up after the break, we have our weather report and construction update. Stay tuned.
Hello Conroe, Landry here, back again with your weather for this week. As of today, it's going to be cold with a high of 58 and a low of 49 with only a 54% chance of rain. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 68, 43 degrees, so best bundle up. Thursday is going to have a high of 60 and a low of 45. Friday a high of 41, low of 49. And lastly, Saturday we'll have a high of 63 and a low of 40. For today's fun fact, did you know there are about 200 dead bodies scattered around Mount Everest that climbers use as markers? Next up, we have our construction update, and then we will go with Wes with sports, so stay tuned.
How's it going, CHS? With entering 2026, many updates have been brought to the construction of Conroe High School. We're going to give you an exclusive first look at the progress and see what to expect when this new section of the school opens for the following school year. This is the big, beautiful, brand new entrance to CHS. This section of the school is estimated to have around 25 classrooms. As you can see, the auditorium's progress is moving at a decent rate. The auditorium is expected to be finished with new seating in a modern-day design next fall. This massive space is what I call the central hub of the school, as it connects both the gym building, cafeteria, and current classrooms all together, also possibly eliminating the need for walking around the outside of the building. With all these new changes, underclassmen and staff should be excited to see what their school will soon become. There's still much to be done, and we'll be sure to keep you updated.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to an edition of the Big West Big Sports Report. Starting us off today are our hometown boys, the Houston Texans, who won their Monday Night Football wild card round playoff game against the Pittsburgh Steelers 30-6 last night, backed by an amazing performance by not only the defense, but by rookie running back Woody Marks, who rushed for 112 yards and 1 touchdown on the night, and wide receiver Christian Kirk, who had an amazing game going for 144 yards and 1 touchdown as well. The Texans will play their next divisional round game against the New England Patriots in Foxborough this Sunday at 2 p.m. on ABC. Switching to college sports for a minute, next Monday will be the College Football National Championship game between the Miami Hurricanes and the undefeated Indiana Hoosiers, led by who many say is the best head coach currently coaching, Curt Cignetti, and the Heisman-winning quarterback, Fernando Mendoza. And finally, we say farewell to one of the greats recently. John Cena had his final ever professional wrestling match December 13th at WWE Saturday Night's Main Event. The 17-time world champion ended up losing his final match to the Ring General Gunther, ending a more than 25-year-long career for the man who is arguably WWE's biggest star in the modern era. Speaking of pro wrestling, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the latest episode of my show, Western World, where I cover a local professional wrestling event that happened right here in Conroe. But that will do it for this edition of the Big West Big Sports Report. Coming up after one quick break, we have a counselor's corner and teachers versus students.
My name's Kelly, and we're here doing Teachers vs. Students Trivia Challenge. I'm here with Isais and Coach Houston. First to get to 5 wins. Which TV series featured a coffee shop called Central Park? Friend? That's correct. Who is the youngest person to ever win an Album of the Year at the Grammys?
Justin B.
No. Isais?
I don't know.
The answer is Billie Eilish. What movie features the line, "I'm the king of the world"? And it also crashes. It involves a ship. And it crashes.
The Titanic.
Yes, correct. What app introduced the duet feature?
What app that introduced a duet?
It's a social media app. You use it on a daily basis. No. Yes.
TikTok.
Isais is at 1 point and Coach Houston's at 2. What Canadian rapper founded OVO? Oh. Who?
Drake.
Yeah. What is the name of the YouTube's most subscribed individual creator as of 2025?
Actual speed?
No. He collabed with iShowSpeed. No. Yes! Mr. Reeves. He has 4 points. 4-1. What was Twitter's new name after Elon Musk's 2020?
I said it first.
Thought you said it first. Who won the 2024 Oscar for Best Actor? He's an Oppenheimer.
Eddie Murphy.
Close?
Huh?
Murphy's the last name, but first name's not.
Charlie Murphy.
No.
I have no idea. Neither, I got no idea.
Cillian Murphy. Does he get half point for that? Ethan Murphy. No. What viral 2012 song became the first YouTube video to reach 1 billion views?
Watch me whip.
No. It has a dance to it. And it's...
The Cha-Cha Slide.
No. It wasn't American based, but it's really popular in America. It's so obvious. It's 2 words, starts with a G. The second word starts with a S.
Viral song, 2012, viral dance. I have no idea.
The answer was Gangnam Style.
I never heard.
Really? Have you?
Nope.
Wait, Ada, do the dance, do the dance. What is the best-selling video game of all time? It's a game for all range. Yeah, all ranges. They recently, last year, made a movie about this. No?
Made a movie about it last year. Oh, Roblox.
No. Close.
Minecraft.
Minecraft. 5-1, and Coach Houston wins. How do you feel about winning?
I feel great. I'm a winner. I'm always the winner. I'm always trying to win at everything I'm gonna do. All right.
How do you feel about losing?
Bad. Feel bad. Feel embarrassed to lose to Coach Houston.
Hi Conroe Tigers, Mr. Roscoe here, and welcome back from the winter break. Happy New Year. We are in the spring semester. It is going to go by so very quickly for everyone. Seniors, there are many things for you to look forward to this year. Graduation, prom, senior awards night, CTE event coming up. Sophomores, you have class meetings in 2 weeks. At the end of January, the beginning of February, you will be meeting with your counselor to go over classes for next school year. Juniors, the same thing. You have so many different events coming up. In February, there's Junior Jumpstart, SAT School Day. We want all of you to have a successful school year. Please make sure that you are here and you are off to a great start. Attendance matters, and we want everyone to make sure that they are doing what they need to be doing in order to be successful and earn all of their credits for the spring semester. The first holiday is just around the corner, MLK Day, so please make sure that you are making sure that that is on your calendar. Again, that day there's not going to be any school, but again, those days that we are here, we want you here and we want you in class. Conroe Tigers, have a great day.
Make sure to tune into our channel for new episodes all week. Tomorrow we'll have a new episode of Game Time. On Thursday we'll have The Array, and on Friday we'll have KTIG 9.
Also, CHS, remember to walk and talk and stay to the right.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Total Recap. Make sure to keep up with us on Instagram, KTIG News, or on our website, ktidnews.com.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to get notifications so you don't miss any of KTIG's shows. Remember, CHS, all Tigers achieve.